All right, we're gonna go for a little spin here in a really cool muscle car. 1968 Camaro Super Sport. I believe it was a 396 car, automatic. This one now has a 454 in it. Had a lot of modifications, so it's a healthy 454. It's got a winter's intake on it, an HEI ignition, some nice headers. Also has close ratio power steering, which really feels good because a lot of these things are kind of sloppy. This is nice and tight. All new suspension, Detroit speed, so it's got a coilover set up on all four corners, tubular control arms, it's got a pan hard bar in the back, all converted from leaf spring, so it handles on rails. A little stiff, but that's what it was built for. It's got subframe connectors, it's got a overdrive transmission by Hughes Performance. It's a 4L80E, which can be tunable, I guess, with a computer. Kind of cool. Change the shift points, that sort of thing. But it's got four-wheel power disc brakes, Wilwoods, big calipers in the front, the 6-piston. Nice car though, really nice driver. It's got factory gauges, factory tack. They call that the tick-tock tack. It's got a clock in the middle. Tilt steering column. It's got the comfort grip wheel. It's got some 18-inch American racing wheels that were specially cut for this. It also mini-tubbed a little bit in the back just to be able to fit more tire, more wheel. So, looks real good, looks normal, you can't even tell, but gives you a chance to put a little bigger tire. I think you still got room for like another couple inches of tire if you want big fat meats back there. But anyways, we're gonna go up here and take some more pictures for you and get a little better look at it. All right, we're gonna do our little walk around here with our great looking 1968 Camaro Super Sport Coupe. This one originally, I believe, had the 396 in it. Now it's got a 454. So it's kind of resto modded out. It's got all new suspension, all DSE, which is Detroit speed, coilovers all the way around, adjustable, tubular control arms, sway bars, pan hard bar. So it handles on rails. Also has a overdrive transmission, 4L80E by Hughes Performance. I think they're about 10 grand, really special. They're good to up to 850,000 horsepower. But this is only, I think this motor has close to 500. That's what I was told anyway. But it's a big block. Not that hard to get that kind of horsepower out of a big block. But four-wheel Wilwood disc brakes, power disc brakes, drilled slotted rotors, big calipers up front, 6-piston. Stops really well. Also has subframe connectors. So with Camaros, they're a subframe car, so they add a center piece of frame, stiffens up the car a little bit, makes it handle better. It's got front and rear spoilers, Le Mans blue, nice paint. Got a couple little nicks and chips in it. You know, it's an older paint job. I bought it from somebody that had it for 10 years, and it was already painted when he bought it. So, but still in great shape. 18-inch staggered American racing wheels. Like I said earlier, it's mini-tubbed a little bit, so there's more room for more tire in the back if you want. Per the trim tag, it's got the Parchment interior, like a metallic-y white color. Nice though, it's Deluxe. Deluxe door panels look a little different than the standard ones. Got the pull grab handle there. Nice seats. Headliner's in great shape. Dash is nice. Got a Custom AutoSound stereo, tilt steering column, comfort grip steering wheel, factory gauges down here. Also has the updated Shiftworks shifter, because when you put an overdrive transmission, you need an extra gear there, so it's 4-speed automatic. But really good looking car. It's got a great sound to it. It's got some Borla exhaust on it. Big tube headers. This is the way a classic muscle car should look. Stripes and a big block. Here's the power plant in the 68 Camaro Super Sport. So it's a 454. Looks just like a 396, so it's got the 396 stickers on there, and it's got more horsepower than that, but that's cool. It's a little sneaky. But there's your tubular control arms. There's the big headers I was talking about. It's got an oversized radiator, transmission cooler, which you kind of need for those overdrive transmissions. Wilwood power disc brakes with the adjustable proportioning valve. Great looking engine compartment. That's a winter's intake. That's actually a GM big block intake. They're kind of rare. Usually people throw Edelbrocks on there, which are actually just as good. I'll go ahead and fire it up for you here. Nice little rumble. Even the clock is working. I don't know how accurate it is, but it's working. It's got power windows too, I forgot to mention. So those are just dead levers. Switches are in the center console there. All 4 power windows. Nice running little big block. Not too obnoxious, not too loud. It's got turn downs before the differential, but there's not enough room to put pipe around the back with that custom suspension. But it sounds great. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to Simi Valley. We're at 2158 Union Place, Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to give you some more information on the car. We've got a stack of receipts on it. Well cared for. I got other cars here too. We can ship it for you. Maybe get you a loan if you want some financing. Even consider trade sometimes. All right, thanks for watching.